cooling tower is a device that is used to remove waste heat from a water-cooled system by releasing it into the atmosphere. Cooling towers are commonly used in industrial processes such as power generation, refrigeration, and chemical processing, as well as in air conditioning systems for large buildings. There are two main types of cooling towers. 1. Natural draft cooling towers. These towers use the natural buoyancy of warm air to draw cool air in at the bottom of the tower and release warm, moist air at the top. Natural draft cooling towers are typically very large and are used in power generation and other industrial processes. 2. Mechanical draft cooling towers. These towers use mechanical fans to draw air through the tower and remove heat from the water. Mechanical draft cooling towers can be further classified into two types. A. Forced draft cooling towers. In these towers, the fan is located at the air inlet and is used to force air through the tower. This creates a positive pressure inside the tower and helps to prevent the escape of water droplets. B. Induced draft cooling towers. In these towers, the fan is located at the air outlet and is used to draw air through the tower. This creates a negative pressure inside the tower and helps to prevent the escape of water droplets. The choice of cooling tower type depends on factors such as the cooling load, the availability of space, and the cost of construction and operation. A cooling tower is a device that removes heat from a water-cooled system. The working principle of a cooling tower is based on the principle of evaporative cooling, which involves the transfer of heat from the hot water to the cooler air. The cooling tower works by using a fan to draw air through the tower, which is filled with a medium such as a packing or fill material. The water from the cooling system is then circulated over the fill material, which creates a large surface area for the water to come into contact with the air. As the water flows through the fill material, some of it evaporates due to the heat exchange with the air. The evaporation process removes heat from the water, which then exits the cooling tower at a lower temperature. The warm, moist air created by the evaporation process is then expelled from the top of the tower by the fan, which draws in cooler, drier air from the surrounding environment to continue the cooling process. The effectiveness of a cooling tower depends on various factors such as the temperature and humidity of the incoming air, the flow rate of water through the tower, and the type and design of the tower itself.